Get an unmatched power with the One Pro portable tire inflator. With cutting-edge motor speed technology, it delivers incredible performance and comes equipped with a 10,400 mAh rechargeable lithium battery that can last up to an astounding 400 days on standby. The 3.2-inch LED display showcases real-time information, displaying tire pressure, battery life, inflation modes, and product information. Its well-engineered heat dissipation system includes 12 mm of extra airspace and boosted cooling fans that increase cooling efficiency, making it safe for extended use. With 5 different modes, it inflates AR-15 tire from 0% to 100% in just 3 minutes. The inflator comes with 2 14-inch extra-long air hoses, a press-on and a twist-on, and a 100-lumen LED light, making it the perfect companion for road trips and emergencies. Are you tired of worrying about your car's safety when you're not around? Well, worry no more. With the GARMIN Dashcam Live Light, you can stay connected to your car 24/7. This revolutionary device offers a live exterior view of your vehicle, giving you complete peace of mind. With a light subscription and the Garmin Drive app, you can access the camera's on-demand view anytime, anywhere. Also, you'll receive theft and incident alerts in case something unexpected happens when you're away. This camera records high-definition 1440 pixels video with a 140-degree field of view and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, ensuring clear details in any lighting condition. And the best part is, you don't need a Wi-Fi connection to access your car's camera anymore. With the Garmin Dashcam Live Light, your car will always have an eyewitness to any incidents. Simplify your phone's connectivity with the Motorola MA1 wireless car adapter for Android Auto. With its wireless design and Google technology, connecting your phone to your car's current Android Auto infotainment system has never been easier. This incredible gadget allows you to connect your phone to your car's existing USB-enabled system without any cords. Thanks to its 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can experience fast media transmission and a seamless connection with your car's system. Setting up the MA1 adapter is a breeze. Simply plug it into your car's Android Auto-enabled USB port and pair it with your phone. What's more, the adapter's sleek and low-profile design effortlessly blends into your car's interior, offering both convenience and style. Next, revive your dead battery in mere seconds with the powerful and compact NOCO GB40 Boost Plus. This incredible device packs a punch with its 1000 amp capacity, ensuring that you always have the boost you need, precisely when you need it. What's more, its patented safety technology provides spark-proof connections, while the reverse polarity protection guarantees safe usage by anyone. The GB40 is specifically engineered to handle diesel engines up to 3 liters, as well as cars, boats, trucks, and more with gas engines up to 6 liters. This amazing jump starter also doubles as a power source for your USB devices, enabling you to recharge your smartphone or tablet while on the go. And that's not all. With its 100-lumen LED flashlight featuring SOS mode, the GB40 will keep you prepared for any emergency. Imagine the peace of mind you'll experience, knowing that the GB40 can jumpstart your vehicle up to 20 times on a single charge. Elevate your driving experience with the HUDWAY Drive. This ultra-slim aftermarket device is a game-changer. Attaching instantly to your dashboard gives you access to all the information you need while keeping your eyes on the road. With a transparent display, you'll never lose sight of what's ahead while receiving crucial updates, including directions, calls, and notifications right before your eyes. It can also display speedometer, time, weather, compass, and more. This sleek gadget boasts a slide-in mechanism for easy installation, and all cables plug into the mount rather than the device, making setup a breeze. And let's not forget about the add-ons. The rear-view camera gives you a crystal-clear view of what's behind you, the side-view cameras eliminate blind spots, and the night vision camera is a game-changer for driving in the dark. Number 5 is the BLUPOND Night Vision Glasses. These glasses give you unparalleled confidence on the road with their exceptional design and technology. Their yellow-tinted anti-glare polycarbonate lens effectively reduces glare and improves contrast, making them perfect for night driving. Lightweight at only 26 grams, they boast a metal frame and semi-polarized lenses, providing durability and style. With their intuitive design, these glasses comfortably fit any face, providing a large field of view without obstructing vision. Built with integrated nose pads and a rubberized support system, they minimize headaches and eye soreness on the road. These glasses are perfect for all weather conditions, reducing the glare of oncoming headlights and improving visual acuity and contrast in daylight. Having to BESAFE 6-in-1 emergency car tool, you'll never have to worry about being stranded on the side of the road again. Equipped with a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and SOS beacon, this tool is a lifesaver in more ways than one. The spring-loaded punch head can break through even the toughest car windows, and the integrated blade can slice through the strongest of towing straps. The LED flashlight has 2 modes, allowing you to see your way even in the darkest of conditions. But that's not all. This gadget also features 2 USB chargers and a powerful 2,200 mAh capacity power bank to keep your devices charged and ready to go. With this impressive vehicle multi-tool, you'll never be caught unprepared in an emergency. Next, going on adventures with your furry friend can be thrilling, but it can quickly turn disastrous if you get into an accident. However, the WUFFGUARD dog car seat is here to change that. This revolutionary car seat can absorb up to 2,000 pounds of force, keeping your pup safe in case of an emergency. Your furry companion is an integral part of your family, and their safety should always come first. With the WUFFGUARD, you can finally say goodbye to unsafe lap rides and hanging their heads out the window. This technologically advanced car seat is designed for small to medium-sized dogs and boasts a patent-pending 7-point shock absorption system. From horizontal bars, seat restraints, netting, foam pads, and vertical bars, it has everything your furry friend needs to stay secure. You can even add a netting cover and safety cord for extra protection. This JOYROOM magnetic car charger is the epitome of safe, reliable, and convenient wireless charging, with a powerful suction cap that can absorb more than 20 pounds of weight without falling down. It's been tested thousands of times and is guaranteed to hold steady on mountain roads, speed bumps, or any driving scenario. Never worry about your phone dropping while driving again, thanks to JOYROOM's closed magnet field design. The smooth arm and 360 degrees flexible rotation allow for infinite viewing angles, eliminating obstructions to your GPS navigation. And that's not all. JOYROOM's intelligent design includes an automatic clamping feature that activates when you drop your phone in the mount, and an auto-off function that stops charging after your phone is fully charged. With JOYROOM, you can enjoy a safer and more convenient wireless charging of your phone whilst driving. Effortlessly, keep your car spick and span with the compact car vacuum cleaner. This cordless vacuum is tailor-made to fit your car's interior perfectly, weighing only 1.45 pounds and measuring just below 15 inches. With a powerful motor, washable HEPA filter, and a large capacity 600 milliliters dust cup, it's perfect for tackling any mess, from pet hair to food crumbs. The best part? It's compact, making it easy to store in your car without taking up much space. This portable and lightweight vacuum cleaner is perfect for on-the-go car cleaning, and with a 100% money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose.